Here are 4 action steps that you can put in your calendar today to get on your way to becoming an investor and achieve passive income and eventually become financially free. It's the same process I used to buy my first investment property at the age of 20, and it's the same process I teach and mentor agents on who are looking to take that next step to financial freedom. Step 1, set up an MLS search for the type of property you're looking for in the areas you're open to. Get comfortable with what's coming on the market and what type of property would be appealing to you. Are you looking for a total fixer-upper? Are you looking for something that needs no work with tenants already in place? These are the type of questions you have to be asking yourself today. Schedule 1 showing per month or more if you have the time. Run the numbers, figure out the cap rate, and determine if you think this is a good investment or not. And then the next step is going to be following up on that property once it sells. Call the listing agent. Ask what type of terms were on that winning contract. The main thing to ask is this buyer an experienced investor, a first-time investor, or an owner-occupant? It's very possible that it's an owner-occupant who wants to live next door to their mom and they were willing to spend way over market value for that particular property. Or if it's a first-time investor, they might be making an unwise financial decision. Or if it's an experienced investor, that might be a good sign that your numbers were correct and it is in fact a really good opportunity. FOMO will set in as you start to see those properties sell and your name isn't on the winning contract. The third step is going to be to tell your friends and family that you are an active investor. If you're running the numbers and you have the skill set to buy those properties, you are an investor, you just haven't purchased yet. Worst case scenario that comes from this, your friends and family are now following up with you and you are front of mind for when they come across maybe an off-market deal or someone they know is looking to sell their property. If you're a licensed agent, you might be putting deals together off-market or reaching out to your circle of landlords and agent investors and figuring out if you can find a buyer for that property. The worst case scenario, like I said, is you're staying in touch with your sphere and staying front of mind until you're ready to actually buy. This takes time to be the person that people think of when they come across a deal. Even if you're 6 to 12 months out from purchasing a property, you should be starting this today. You can add into your calendar to tell 5 people in your sphere this week that you are an investor and tell them what type of property you're looking for and to reach out if they come across something similar. Or even if it's a little bit different, you have a really strong network of agents who are always looking to buy, and of course your clients as well. The last step is going to be figuring out how you're going to buy this property. If you have enough cash saved up, congratulations, that's perfect. Figure out how much you'd like to spend and how much you're going to want to have in reserves for possible updates or those unexpected expenses that come along with home ownership. If this is going to be a financed purchase, you should be talking to your preferred lender today, this week, or last week. You should know exactly how much you should be saving up for a down payment, what your costs are going to look like, what loan products are available to you. If you're telling your buyers to start the pre-approval process 6 months before they're ready to buy, why are you not taking your own advice? Your lender is not going to mind taking the time to talk to you about your future purchase. Trust me, they do it for your clients all the time. Even if you are 1 to 2 years out from buying an investment property, if you're comfortable with taking the leap and you're comfortable with what a good deal looks like, when it comes time, you're going to be that much more confident in your decision and you're going to have a smaller chance of making the wrong decision. I have a full spreadsheet where I'm able to easily plug in expenses and find the cap rate for a property. If you'd like a copy of it, comment cap rate below and I'll get that over to you. We host tons of trainings and webinars on getting started investing and also for experienced investors trying to level up and leverage their time in their investment businesses. Head over to our channel and don't forget to subscribe as we post new real estate content weekly.